Right.
And I had no dick.
You just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait?
Hi guys, I know you guys haven't seen me in a while. It is currently 3:15 and it is Friday. And if you know anything about that date, the little area that is getting a whole bunch of snow and bad weather right now, you all know that we are basically locked in for this weekend. So I thought, why don't I vlog it? Vlog what I'm basically doing. So currently we are filling up the bathtub and I'm going to make like a whole bunch of food so then I don't have to dirty any dishes or anything like that because the freeze is supposed to happen tonight. See, we are currently filling up the bathtub just so I'm able to have some water to flush my toilet. What's it called? One of my friends told me about a hack with a trash bag and I'm not doing that hack. I'd be damned. We are going to be making... Oh my gosh, did I not even buy it, bro? Oh no, I got tortillas. So I'm making tacos and I'm going to be doing salmon just because I feel like if I don't do salmon, it's gonna go bad in the freezer. God forbid the power goes out. Oh, also we're gonna be making some cornbread. I was thinking also I have steak in there too. I'm sorry, this is gonna be like a really random like 3 days in the life of me because I don't have nothing planned. What I do kind of have as like things to do, I can paint and then I'm gonna play Fortnite with my friend and watch movies. That's really about it. If it snows, I want to take Nez outside. The salmon, I know it doesn't take that long to thaw, so that should be within less time. It says it's supposed to like start freezing around 6. It's only 3:20 at the moment, so I think I'm doing good on time. I should have did this way earlier. I do go on live on TikTok. Let me know if I should go on live on YouTube because I would do that. But these are fire. Got a call from my dear friend of mine and I totally forgot. We were gonna be doing drunk Fortnite and I had no liquor. I had to go get some liquor. I got Malibu mango because I have cran mango at home. I got a mango wine. So hopefully that's gonna be okay. It's crazy out here. It's so packed. It's like packed. There's traffic almost everywhere. I'm trying to get back home before my parking spot is taken. 2, before my mom finds out because I feel like if my mom finds out, she's gonna be like, Jaysha, now why are we doing that?
One day later.
Okay, well, don't hate me. I did go to sleep. I did do that. My bad. So yesterday, after the last clip, I did indeed get intoxicated. I did do that. We played Fortnite. I cooked all the meals that I needed to cook. I cooked salmon, hamburgers for like a burrito and stuff, and I cooked some cornbread. I drank. It was fun though. It was fun. I haven't drank in a very long time, but it is the next day. Officially the storm has started, but this is what we're looking like right now. We got some white snow. It says that it is 22 degrees outside, but it feels like 3 degrees outside. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do now, make my face look better, because we were on live a lot yesterday. I felt like I looked rough as well. The snow has stopped. Let's put some music on.
Yeah. I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside. TT. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. Who am I? All the niggas round. I just caught a shorty off a fence, just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the...
I'm thinking that we're gonna just kind of make like a messy bun, regular schmagular clothes. So I will be right back. Okay, so what we got on is this shirt from Hollister, And these shorts from Aerie. And then we're just gonna throw this in a messy bun. This is probably not gonna be so messy after I brush it, but it definitely needs a brush. Y'all, my hair is growing. So I cut off all my hair. I'm gonna insert a photo. I cut off all my hair because it was just so dead. Yeah, this is what we're gonna go with. And just bring down the little pieces. Every time I do this though, I think about that one girl, like trying to fight. You know, one girl, she's like, you know, gonna be like, you know, try to post stuff like that. Y'all, it looks like it's gonna fall eventually, but as of right now, it's gonna be fun. And this is just a lip mask. It basically just like hydrates your lips because I need it, especially in the winter. It's like so bad. It's just like It's snowing. It's snowing a little bit. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna have a practice round. How did I miss that? Hey, boy, just give me my money. Y'all, that aim was not great. I wish that we were laying in the same sheet. But really, you were acting like some party. I try to numb away the pain. I hope someone is watching me, watching me. I just wanna rebound. I haven't seen you in a long time. I gave away my position for no reason. Ain't no way I'm So I did take a nap. So basically I played and I took a nap. We played for a while. We all rage quit. Come in. Now, go to your bed. I took some extra meat out because I was smashing the burritos, bro. I was smashing them. I was like, shit, let me take some extra meat out, especially since we do got power. Let me go ahead and cook that up. It is looking like pretty crazy out. See, it's kind of full, guys. One of my friends made a song and that shit is stuck in my head. Stuck in there. Stuck in there. Play My Station on Apple Music.
I could not find that on Apple Music.
Alexa, play Apple Music.
When I'm lonely, baby, it's like my friends don't know me. Girl, it used to be my own.
Got my meat. She look at me like I'm so crazy, bro. Hi, mama. Hi. Hi, your baby. Hi, mama. Aww. I love you. I said I love you. She gonna be so sad when I go back to work, bro.
I said I know we're on the same page no more. And that's a shame that we used to be so close. Yes, I'm down and I'm clowning in my sorrows, babe. Hey, yeah, you don't miss me, babe. I'm always trying to miss me, babe. Was there somebody else since me, babe? Think I might do the same, don't tell baby. In the party and get friendly. Honestly, no, I don't got it in me. It's no fun when you're not here with me. It's no fun when you're not here with me.
Okay, so now I'm gonna see if Monty wants to play. But other than that, I'm either going to play a few games and then watch a movie. But yeah, that's really how the night's gonna go. It feels nice to just lay down. She might be asleep or doing something else. All right, so I'm gonna hop on. I'm gonna go on live. I hop on for a minute.
1 day later.
Something that I have not been wanting to do. I know I look a mess. I kind of just woke up. But Nez keeps on pacing by this front door. So we're going to go outside. So I'm putting these like bell-bottom leggings on. And I'm going to put these sweats on top. I know this is like a random start to this video. She's kind of bugging me. My lashes off because they kept falling off. So, oh my gosh. It's stuck. It's stuck. There, took the bell-bottom out. I'm gonna put this Nike Pro Dry Fit shirt, do this, and then we're gonna put my Berry U shirt on. I'm so used to Florida weather, but I don't have anything like winter clothes. So this is like the closest we're gonna get. All right, then we're gonna just do this zip up. Better be warm, bro. I better be. I just threw on some shoes. Sit. Okay. There you go. And she wears that pull collar just because she's slightly aggressive with other dogs, but also she likes to pull. Yeah, it looks like some people have left. But it doesn't look like there's like a lot of people that have left. Man, it's cold.
You know I'm just that type. No, them no big kill my vibe. Them no big kill my vibe. No big kill, them no big kill. Them no big kill my eyes myself. Follow the stars. Jaysha find them. It's a bad vibe.
I'm freezing. There you go.
Depend on me enter the light, but you can never kill my vibe. But here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me and no go take shit. Vibe killer.
What I've done so far, besides still need to be done. So I did finish the live action of The Last Airbender. It was actually pretty good, and I know the next one's coming out soon, so I'm kind of excited for that. But this is what it's looking like. Honestly, I think it looks so good. I'm already doing laundry because it's looking like we're going to have to go to work tomorrow. It's just now starting to de-thaw. I'm gonna see how it is in the morning because I'm not gonna risk my life for just a paycheck. This is also what the paintings look like hung up. I did that. So apparently we are going to work. I don't think I'm going to work because I did try to drive and I kind of sort of was slipping and sliding, but we will see. Dang, it's like shredding. Basically, honestly, the rest of my night, get these clothes hung up and put the next load in and start getting ready for work tomorrow, which I'm not really excited about. If I don't have any more clips after this, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Snowing where you guys are at. Please be safe on the roads because obviously your life is more worth than a paycheck. But that is it from me. Hopefully you guys will see more content from me, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Okay, bye.